Welcome back to NINEAUTO Porsche Drive. Small group touring for Porsche enthusiasts. You've joined us on day 3 of the ultimate Lap of the Alps in June 2026. This happens to be our first big European tour. We're over to enjoy a week of immersion in Porsche. 16 people across 10 vehicles, 9 911s and a solitary Cayman GTS 4 litre. We've got a spread of 911s for the week, a couple of standard cars, a couple of S's and a couple of GTS's, a GTS 2 and a GTS 4. Big thanks to Porsche AG for sorting us out with some beautifully spec'd vehicles for the week. They were an absolute delight. We had a broad range of customers, youngest customers in their early 40s, oldest customers in their mid 70s, and everything in between. And that is one of the beautiful things about working immersed in this brand. It takes all types, and indeed great people from all backgrounds. Always a fun time, on the road and off the road, the crews that come out with NINEAUTO Porsche Drive. Most of our customers came from Melbourne for this trip. We had one customer that joined us from the UK, one from Sydney, and one also from Perth in Australia. We're currently going up the Grimsel Pass in Switzerland. This was our first big pass for the week, one of over 20. A great pass rather to cut your teeth on, I'd say. It's pretty gentle. It's a fast flowing pass mostly down in the valley floor, and we're just turning off here to go around the backside. This is one of the original roads on the pass. It was a day of real extremes, day 3. We started off in Lucerne, we went up over the Swiss mountains, did a number of passes. This would be our first of 6 passes for the day actually, and ended up down on Lake Como on the other side in Italy. So we started in rain, we went up through snow. There's another video coming up very shortly across the Furka Pass, past the famous Belvedere Hotel. We happened to get a bit of snow up there actually. Never thought I'd be driving a 911 in the snow, but yes we were. And then when we got down the other side and across Lake Lugano and into Lake Como, it was 30 degrees. So truly all seasons in one day. Fantastic day, some fantastic meals up on the pass.
I can't do nothing with you.
We were here very much at the start of June. Some of these passes had only just opened days before we arrived, which was perfect. Not a lot of traffic. For the whole week we had some pretty clear roads in front of us, and a lot of fun. If you've never had the pleasure of driving a Porsche through roads like this with a group of people that just love a good drive, then you just don't know, but you really should. It's an absolutely fantastic experience. We're all about luxury at NINEAUTO Porsche Drive. We're not really interested in doing it on the cheap, so when we set our ultimate laps of Tasmania and also the Alps and soon to come the Pyrenees, our ultimate laps are always for luxury. So beautiful hotels, fantastic dining experiences of an evening, and mixed lunches on the road. Always a nice warm breakfast in the hotel to start your day. But these are driving tours. We're here to drive and enjoy these cars and enjoy the roads. Some of the best tarmac Europe has to offer. We make no apologies for long days on the road. That's what our customers are here to do, and that's what we're designed. Everything's curated with that in mind. One of our customers happened to say to me when we got back to Melbourne, it was actually the best experience he's ever had. That's a pretty big compliment. I feel very fortunate to be able to run this business and create experiences like this for people. It's an amazing amount of fun. I hope you enjoyed a little taste of the Grimsel Pass in Switzerland. Lots of passes to come. Please stick around and enjoy the content.